Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install CLion on your MacBook. CLion is a powerful IDE from JetBrains, designed specifically for C and C++ development. It provides smart code analysis, advanced debugging tools, and seamless CMake integration, making it an excellent choice for writing, building, and testing C and C++ applications. Alright, let's get started. First, open any web browser. I'm using Brave, but Safari, Chrome, or Firefox will work just fine. In the search bar, type Download CLion, then press Enter. From the results, click on the official JetBrains website. I've also added the direct download link in the video description. Once you're on the CLion download page, choose the correct version for your Mac, Apple Silicon or Intel. If you're not sure which one you have, click the Apple menu in the top left corner and select About this Mac. If you see Apple M1, M2, M3, or M4, you're using an Apple Silicon Mac. If it says Intel, then you're on an Intel-based Mac. After selecting the correct version, click Download. Save the installer to your Downloads folder. The download time may vary depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. A new window will open. Simply drag the CLion icon into the Applications folder. This installs CLion on your Mac. When it's done, you can close the window and delete the installer file to free up space. Next, open Finder, go to Applications, and launch CLion. If macOS shows a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, just click Open to continue. When CLion launches for the first time, accept the user agreement by clicking Continue. You'll then be asked to activate CLion. If you already have a license or subscription, choose Activation Code and enter your details. Otherwise, select Start Free Trial to begin using CLion for free. And that's it. CLion is now installed on your Mac, and you're ready to start coding in C and C++. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.